He's been outspoken before and doesn't disappoint now. Samory I tonight on his upcoming album, post-Melissa relief efforts, and the bad rep some Jamaican acts have abroad.
My garden is so fresh, my family is so blessed.
Samory I known for pointed social commentary and soulful singing on tracks such as Outside with Leela Ike
Outside, away outside.
and History of Violence with Mortimer.
17 with a clock.
And in interviews, he doesn't mince his words. Our catch-up ahead of the release of a new album, Revelation, the follow-up to 2023's Strength, no exception. First, the album.
Like a washing machine.
It's myself, it's mostly about myself, you get me? Based off of my experience, them say the higher a monkey climber, the more him see. So, you know, based off of my experience, the things I man see, the darkness where I man going just because of the same thing that's called success. So I man get to see a whole heap of things coming from that place there. So this is the revelation.
I sign in when the God walk in.
That album, Strength, was a good look for you. It was well received. I think even Rolling Stone singled it out as one of the more interesting albums of 2023.
Life is amazing.
I feel amazing.
You can notice with the collaboration with this current album now, you can see the growth because the type of artists them that come on my album, you get me? I say like the item, I do it the real way. You get me? For example, Chronicler, Governor, just to name a few. Just within that alone, you know, I move from here, so I move out of the ghetto and live in a different space. My parents, them in a different space. So the success with the album comes many different ways, you get me?
Kick off when time the Rasta man a rat.
What did it open your eyes to?
Yeah, you know, it show my people. You know what I'm saying? People are evil, and that are the revelation I'm gonna get to.
Why evil? I mean,
Yeah,
you're
because
a positive person. You want to spin the best possible spin of human
don't
beings.
want a boy when a boy here. Anthony said he's a positive person for try play the thing, you know. You see me? Because the thing is not a playable thing, you know. You see me? We come from a very dark place. It's just that me a Rasta and the things them reveal themselves to me as Rasta is not what I expect to see, you get me? And when I isolate myself from a certain things and I live a certain way, I never expect to see the same thing. Like the higher I climb is the more I see how it's a competition. I never know I think Rasta, like I love we are dealing. So this is a revelation too now.
It's a generation. Take no talk.
I tell them I kill them soulfully on this in Rastafari name. Man a different wavelength because now I get the chance to create for myself. So now the music is me through the general Clive Hunt. So fail or triumph, I'm good with it because me put on the track them to give to the people. So that's the difference between every other body I work with. You see, I don't get the chance to be my own creative genius.
How are you different now? You're more careful, you're more skeptical, you take less chances.
Yeah, man, I'm isolated in a small corner because my small corner consists of a team who celebrate me. And I have to stay in that space there. Everybody who you see around right now, you see them around because they celebrate me. And that I stay in there because I celebrate everybody around me. If I know you, like you see the way I greet you. Like, I celebrate the eye, because I know the eye is a great man based off my accomplishments, based off how I deal with people in the earth. You get me? And I get that from people.
But why is there always this constant refrain, this story about the business and how it operates? And people who find out how the business operates come away with this sort of idea that you have to protect yourself.
Anything that make you fall in a depression is dangerous for the mental. So it's something for the eye them stay away from. Because I don't want to go back where I come from. No, Tory.
I am a soldier for Jah.
Tory, an earlier incarnation, before becoming Samory, when he flirted with badness.
I have to know when Tory come through, you see me like, I'm not come through like no fool, you get me? Like we're up on a different level with the mindset when we was Tory. Now we are Samory I.
People will tell me about your music, that yes, there is the positive roots message that he puts out there, but there's always this element where he's being real about the Jamaican street.
Yeah, I sing from a space where I come from. You get me? I can relate to the youth them in the ghetto because I was a youth on the corner too. The man can tell you, each year them raise the age. Them say me I got dead by me at 18, no past 18, 16, no past that 20 or no past that. No, them not say we're not dead. So like we defy the odds with life and how we live. Enough youths like me come from a space where people think them would have never amount to nothing because of the space where them come from or the people them where them associate themselves with. You hear me? Means a definition of don't judge a book by its cover.
You made it out, you saved yourself, music saved you also.
Yes,
What about other people? Are they trapped in this cycle of a history of violence?
Yeah, and see there's no changes. Look what the system has done to the people. First of all, the system has divided the people. First of all, with politics. 1, 2, one to the $1 billion will come for the people them for the storm. With that there, one to the storm money for the people them and the generator them. One to them thing there. There's always going to be a history of violence if the government now set an example. You know, a youth like me on the corner we don't have $1 in my pocket for go oh, I make a follow with a Rasta money and say. Because the Rasta money are good in life, so I can live a positive life. I not have to go up on the ends, go help the warrior fight a war because my cousin dead last month, or because Fim cousin dead last month. What to the youth them will have to go through that. You know, help the youth them with $1 billion.
People suffering in silence.
You know you me attack, you know. Anthony make him see this. You know you me attack. Help the people them.
Are you saying that the aid that was assigned for Jamaica is not reaching people fast enough?
Then, Anthony, when was the storm? I sing 2 songs for the storm already. Victory and a song named Don't Give Up. Almost I give it to the people and before him give the people them the storm money and him get the storm money before him sing the song.
Recovery takes time though.
Yeah, recovery takes time, but when a man I say Sean Paul and Chi-Ching Ching, Govey and the other artists them a pull up before a politician who you think him want to vote for. But the system is the system. The Jamaican system I talk about. Give the people them something out of $1 billion. Even 45,000. 45,000. Westmoreland. 45. Lie?
What sort of locked you in that this is just not working and there's something else happening here?
Man, look man, 3 card man goes with the card, brother. Don't take your eye off of the card. Or else you're not gonna know which one is the right one.
Some people will say you're being too political.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Look, may I tell you something? The greater ones before we help free apartheid, Bob Marley and them ones there, them ones that fight the political war. Me within myself, I'm not telling you I'm fighting a political war, but I just highlight to the people and say, are you going to be a fool for the rest of your life? Revelation coming soon. March, look out for the single Chronicler, Victorious coming. January 19th.
Myself and people, mankind wicked and corrupt, make me evil.
And the last question along this line, some people will say, well, look at what we've done. People have got back electricity, people have got back water. Some people are getting back their roof. We're working in that direction, but everything takes time.
I'm gonna tell you, Sean Paul give the people them light before the government. Sean Paul and the government? No, we have to go be real. We have to go be real. You get money for help the people them. You can't stand up? You get money for help the people them. And Sean Paul going in pocket for fee money. Me come. Mr. Miller, see $1 billion help the people them. And Big Dog come give the people them light and water before you as the government. I don't believe in you. I believe in Big Dog. Them youth, they are great youth, and them youth, they will always be rewarded forever in life.
Every life has reason.
And there's this constant message that's going out there, and I think it's backed up by the numbers and the facts sometimes, that dancehall and reggae music out of Jamaica is not selling. How do you plan to address that? And is it something that you can address? What are you finding when you go out on the road?
What I find out when I go out on the road is that The man them were there where I sell 1,000 copies. I act like them I sell 1,000,000 when the people them come up to them and I deal with them. I see that for myself personally. You get me? Them act like them a Bob Marley and the Wailers. Regular. I see the people them deal with them. I smile within myself because same amount of people them will come out for the same amount that come out for me. And I deal them with love. The people them don't like them because them think them above themselves. So the people them don't support them. Me hear this for myself.
What's going to have to change for that narrative to change?
The artists them have to put themselves out there. You get me? Can't just blame the people them. The man them act like them bigger than the music. So when a man reach out to him and tell himself a forward 3 o'clock him a come 5:30 and that man don't want to see me because him and him deal with him like that. So I may go look for see him. The thing now go transpire to nothing because the man them a deal with the music like out of them bed them a come for deal it and not a business.
We know there's a market for reggae
Course.
abroad. And you know, other countries have their own brand of reggae.
Just
and they're
because.
delivering something.
Just because I want me just to tell you a while ago.
So we're falling behind them.
Hey. Everybody know me attack. Every reggae artist know me attack. Every dancehall artist who know me attack about. The white reggae bands, them run the thing.
Queen of the night, you brighten my life.
Are people telling you what they want when they go out there?
Of course. Why you think me I tell you this, Anthony? Say the man them not like the people them come near the man. And the man them a sell 1,000 copy first week. And they are dealing with people them come out and spend their money like that for the idiot. Everybody talk.
And Samory I talks some more next Friday. People have lost their way.
Long time.
In my darkest times, you make me shine.